Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I just want to say welcome and thank you. And you are watching Tiana Food and Lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my community, and make sure to stay to the end of this video so you get every detail, and we will do this together. Yes, today I'll be making Ugba and Kpomo. This is a Nigerian delicacy, credit to the eastern part of Nigeria. And today I'll be making Ugba in this style. It can be used for different things, but today we're going to be making it in this style. And I hope you're going to love this video, which I definitely know you will. Just make sure to stay to the end, subscribe, give me a like, comment, and remember to share and hit the bell notification so you know when I drop new videos. Okay guys, so let's do this together. So I'll begin with all of these ingredients: my habanero pepper 1, and my nutmeg, palm oil, ugba, and I'll also be using crayfish, potash, onion, and my cooked kpomo, and my mortar for pounding my crayfish, and the bowl for mixing. So we'll begin by putting in some warm water into the bowl of potash so we can dissolve the potash. Now if you don't have powdered potash, you can make use of baking soda. So we can dissolve this like so, and the whole idea is to make sure we get the clear liquid. So I had to go extra to sieve it just in case it has any lumps extra. Okay, so do it like so. Like I said, if you don't have this, you can make use of baking soda. After you're done doing that, you set it aside. I get my mortar and I began to pound my habanero pepper. I do it this way so it will be really traditional. If you blend it, it will come out smoother. You want it to be really traditional, but do what suits you. You know, the whole essence is to make sure that the pepper is grinded. I do it like so. Then I take it out of the mortar and I put in my potash water, and then put in my palm oil. Now if your palm oil was sleeping, all you need to do is just put in a little bit of heat, let it awaken, and then you pour it into the bowl of the water, baking soda liquid rather, or the potash you use. Then you give it a good mix like this. Yes, palm oil is red in color, but you want it to turn out yellow. That's how you'll be satisfied that you've gotten the base for your ugba and kpomo. Okay, then I'll put in my pepper right now, put in my salt and seasoning. If you don't want seasoning in it, it's fine, you can just put in your salt alone. You can use seasoning cube or powder. So in this case I'm using powder. Give it a good mix and put in my nutmeg. Now you'll be sure to check in my description box for all of my ingredients and the right measurement I use. Give it a good mix like that. I had to blend that nutmeg, and then next thing I'm going to be doing, adding my crayfish. So this crayfish, I had to use the mortar and I didn't want it smooth, that's why I didn't blend it with my blender. I want it more traditional, where I'll still have to see some of the crayfish, you know what I mean? So right now I'll just stir it and put in my ugba. Yes, this is the main ingredient. Oh my god, this ugba is so yummy. Now this ugba came out soft, like not soggy soft, but I don't know, some people could like it hard. But if when you get it from store, if it's really hard, all you need to do is just soak it in water for some time and check it to see that it's no more hard. Okay, so you have to do it early, but if you like it hard, why not go ahead and use it. You don't want it to be soft and breaking, and you don't want it to be too hard, except you like it hard. I give it a good mix, and next thing I'll just take a pinch of taste And if you know you don't need to make any adjustment there, go ahead and add your kpomo. Now this kpomo I just added has been pre-cooked. You don't want to put in raw kpomo that you just caught. It's not going to be tasty. Okay, you want to cook that kpomo a little to get soft, pass through heat with just salt, okay, or however, but make sure the kpomo comes out soft and tasty. Then I give it a good mix, and right now I'm going to be checking for taste again. And then I just put in my fork and I taste, and my brain tells me this tastes good, and I just want to go one more time, but my brain tells me don't finish it though, because other people will eat too. Yes, so right now my ugba is ready. I'm satisfied, and now is the moment of truth. Look at that. So if you notice the taste is not balanced, you can just adjust it by adding a little bit more of oil. If you have ugba, put in more, or you just add in a little bit water and give it a mix, but you want to make sure your measurement is right. Okay, so now let's serve and go have some fun. So this ugba, the measurement will go for 4 people or 4 times. So now I'm just serving, and this was a special request from my husband. If you look through my videos, you find out I've made other recipe with ugba, and yes, it's not just the eastern part of Nigeria that cooks with this. You also have some other places who use ugba to make yummy delicacies, which in some videos I'm going to show you in some future videos. Yes, I'm going to make something from this, but right now let's just enjoy this recipe, ugba and kpomo. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Look at this lovelies. And yes, we're not just going to eat it like that, right? So I'm going to be putting in some purple onion. Oh my god, look at that, purple on top of yellow. Hey, it's like putting bowl on top of, the sun. Just imagine they give you the privilege to be in contact with sunlight, and then you put some purple bowl. Okay, back to our ugba, right? So look at that. Now it looks so pretty. Wow. So right now we're going to enjoy. Yes, so you can as well take this with any choice of your drink. You can take it with whatever drink you like and enjoy yourself. Give yourself a treat. If you crave this, why? Look, if you crave something, go ahead if you can afford it, and spoil yourself. Okay, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification to know when I drop more videos. So stay with this ugba. Enjoy yourself as I video. Thank you and have a wonderful day. All right, bye for now.